Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am bringing you a very special unboxing that I cannot wait to share with you guys. And I'm so excited. So if you're ready, then I'm ready. So let's get started. Before we get started, I do want to say welcome to all of our new family members out there. And in case you're not familiar with me yet, my name is Leah Garrett, and I am a cruelty-free makeup and beauty reviewer. I am a makeup enthusiast, not a makeup artist, a plus-size beauty, and a PNH and ITP fighter. If you'd like to know more about those two diseases, there are videos down below that you can check out. So, I am so excited to open this package. No, it's not a box from Tarte. It is actually a holiday package, Christmas package, from one of my dearest friends here on YouTube. Her name is Tina Mon. Hey girl! I'm going to link her channel down below in the description bar. Go check her out. Go subscribe to her channel. She is amazing. She's so fun and I love her. We decided to give each other Christmas gifts this year. And to see what we gave each other, to see if we know each other as much as we say we do. I am like really excited for this package, and let's just go ahead and just dive on in. So I got you guys at a different angle so then I have more room to work here, because I really don't have a lot of room because I need to clean up my area like hardcore, because I have been like filming nonstop today. So this is the box that she sent me. It is very heavy. And yeah, let's go ahead and see what's inside. First, there's a lot of confetti in here. So yeah. Oh, okay. We got a note. Let's see what's in here. Says, thank you for doing this collab with me. Hopefully next year our channels take off. 1 million subs. Here we come. That's what I'm talking about. I hope you enjoy everything. I'm pretty sure it's all cruelty free. I didn't check the last second add-ins though. Merry Christmas, Tina. And it says, sending you peace, love, enjoy this holiday season. It's got polar bears on it. That's so cute. I love it. Thank you so much, Tina. And the first thing I see besides the card is this, and I'm so excited. It is a moisturizing facial mask, and I guess it's a bubblegum scented, and it's a unicorn. You guys know I am crazy about unicorns, and yeah, this is nice. I like this. Okay, all right, now let's dive into the box. All right, we got some candy here, which you can never go wrong with candy. Oh my god, never. Ooh, we got some peppermint patties. Ooh, we got confetti everywhere. We got some Reese's peanut butter cups. We got some Hershey Nugs. Awesome. And then we have this little bag from Milani. Oh, I love this little tassel. It's so cute. I've got confetti all over me. She did warn me about that. She said, my son does love confetti, and I do appreciate that. I love it. It's the little touches that just make me, yeah. Ooh, this is chock full of stuff. Okay, we have a mini Colourpop Ultra Matte Lip in the shade Creeper, and it's red, because she knows I love me some red lippies. We also have a Milani Color Statement lip liner in the shade Spice. That is nice. I like that. We also have Universe Star Face Powder. I don't know what brand this is from. It says Inmo Cosmetics. I've never heard of this. It says shine your light bright Eurostar for a divine glow. I'm not missing. Oh, that's what it stands for. It's I'm not missing out cosmetics. Let's go ahead and see what this is. Ooh! And this is in the shade Aurora. This is pretty. Oh, I like this. I like. Ooh. Ooh, that is like really pretty. I like this. I like this a lot. Ooh, that is pretty. I like that. I got confetti all over me. Hydra's gonna be mad. Oh well. You can vacuum it. Ooh, we have a Wet n Wild quad, and this is in the shade. I don't know. It doesn't have a shade name on it. It doesn't have a shade name. It just says 344B palette. Nice little quad. Bunch of purples. We all know purple's my mama's favorite color. Ooh, we have a Tarteist lip liner in the shade Turned Up. Ooh, I got a lot of lippies that this will match. Let's see what else do we have in here. Okay, this is from number 7. It is a Stay Perfect eyeshadow in the shade Pink Blossom. Ooh, this looks nice. Ooh, it's really soft. I like the imprint on it. This is what it looks like in the pan. Ooh, it's like a bronzy pink color. It's really pretty. I like this. Then we have, okay, we have something from L'Oreal. L'Oreal is not cruelty free, but that's okay. This is the Color Riche eyeshadow in the shade Cafe au Lait. I can give this to my sister because she likes eyeshadows like this. That shade, my older sister does. All right, what we got? Aww! We have the Tarte Tartlet Flirt palette. That is so cool. That is so awesome. I'm going to get this open and I'll be right back. It is really nice. It's a nice to-go palette. You have your 4 match shades and your 2 shimmer shades. So that is a perfect eye look right there. I am like definitely going to have to like do a look with all these items that she gifted me. That'd be a great video. That'd be so cool. And I think that's all that's in the Milani bag, except for some more confetti. That's okay. But the bag is super cute. I love this little tassel. It's so cute. You can never, never have too many cosmetic bags. All right. What else do we have? Ooh, we got a trial size of the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It's good because my other one just dried up. Oh, we got a little unicorn teeny tie plush. Haha, Rich Lux. Mine's real. Oh, it's so cute. Let's see. Her name is Star and her birthday is February 11th. She's a little unicorn. She's so cute. Oh, so cute. All right. So we got more candy. What's this? It is a What Would a Mermaid Do pen? Predict a pen. Brush hair with a fork. Make friends with a crab. Grow legs. Pose on a rock. Fall in love with a pirate. This is so cute. I like this. That's neat. I'm always about like novelty pens to use, like the ones that I use right now in my books to write down what items I use are my nightmare for Christmas pen. So cool. All right. Oh, I love it. It is a Unicorn Glycerin Soap Vanilla Almond. Oh, that smells so good. It's a unicorn soap. You guys know how I am about unicorns. Oh, that is so cute. I love it. I don't want to use it. I just want to keep it in the package and display it. All right, what else do we have? We have Ooh, some Bath and Body Works stuff. We have, oh, Sweet Pea. I love Sweet Pea. This takes me back right here. This really does. Oh, yeah. That takes me back to high school right there. And then this is Sweet Pea body cream. Awesome. That takes me back to high school. Thanks, Tina, for making me feel old. Oh, what else do we got? We have a Too Faced Lip Injection Glossy in the shade Milkshake. It's got confetti all over it, but that's okay. Makes it more festive. Ooh, what else do we got? More candy. Like I said, you never have too much candy. Okay, we got a little sample pack of the Tarte Tarteist Lip Paint. We have Exposed, Bounce, and Goals. I want to say I have Exposed in a full tube. We have... Ooh! Yes to Grapefruit Brightening Sleeping Mask. You guys know I love me some Yes to masks. See, we have a little sample of the Tarte Skincare Mermaid Skin Hyaluronic H2O Serum. I've been wanting to try this, so I'm kind of glad this is in there. Then we have the Yes to Cotton Comforting Mud Mask. I actually like the cotton line. I use the micellar water to pre-cleanse my face before I do my makeup. It's really good. All right, what else do we have? Okay. Then we have an Esfolio Egg Essence Sheet Mask. Pretty cool. This is for, I guess it's for moisture, to deliver abundant moisture and nourishment to deep into your skin. Pretty cool. That is awesome. Yeah. And I think that's it. Yep, that's it. I actually really like this. I am going to clean up some of this confetti off me and I'll be right back. I have to say, I really enjoy all my stuff. I really do love it. It's great. I really do love it. Thank you so much, Tina, for doing this with me. I hope you enjoy all your stuff that I got you. I know one item, I was watching one of your videos and I was like, she needs a new one of that. So you're going to know which one it is when you open up your package. Make sure you head over to her channel to see what I got her and her reaction to it. And yeah, that is all that I have for you guys today. Don't forget to pick up your Texas House of Glitters glitter palette. Of course, we all know it looks like this. This is on sale right now for $10. $10. $10. Okay? In case you didn't hear me, $10. That sale goes up into the new year. If you want a guaranteed by Christmas delivery date, you are going to have to order by the date on the bottom of the screen. My discount code will not work during the sale. If you use it and it happens to go through, your order will be automatically canceled, and we don't want that. We want you to have your glitter goodness. Glitter goodness goodies. That's it, the GGG. And as always, you can follow me on Facebook at facebook.com/MelissaLeahGarrett, on Snapchat as MelissaLeah1223, and on Instagram as MelissaLeahGarrett. Come on over. We have fun on those pages as well. I do not, however, have a Twitter account, so if you see one with my face and this gorgeous smile, report it because it's fake. Also, if that subscribe button is red, it's the wrong color. You need to change it. And don't forget to share this channel out to everyone as well. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that notification bell, because unfortunately, YouTube was destined to make that bell thing. That way you know when I'm posting, even though we know I mainly post on Tuesdays and Fridays. I love you all so much, and I will see you on Tuesday. Bye! Caught me yawning. items are so cool. I'm so excited. I can't wait to try out the Tarte palette. I think I'm gonna do a full face using items that she gifted me. I think that's pretty cool. It's time to take this mug off and go to sleep.